And this scheme is in partnership with the Housing Finance Corporation.
Let me just say a few things about the house that we are giving to Faith. This is part of our affordable housing program. This house in Park Road, if it was built under the normal program, a 3-bedroom house in Park Road would be anywhere between 15 and 20 million. But because we have decided as a government that owning a house should not be the privilege of the rich, it should be a necessity and a right to as many Kenyans as possible. This house has now been reduced to 6 million shillings, and that is what we are paying. And we have a whole write-up about this, Faith. We will make sure that other athletes either buy the houses affordably. If they do well like you, they also get a reward from the government of Kenya. We will be asking them going forward. They can ask for their reward in cash. They can also ask for their reward in kind. And we will facilitate both ways. Congratulations, Faith.
Hongera, Faith. Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Say something. Okay. Oh, yeah.